bought it as kind of a joke on eBay. It was now they're $79, but when I got it was $30. It's just a little cheap dynamic bike. It's black housing with a gold grill on it, and some ham operated guy, he does a few little things with a board, and it sounds better than my $1,000 Shure mic sitting right next to me. Well, that kid was beautiful radio. It sounds great. Well, I've come to the conclusion that microphones pick the voice, so the voice picks the microphones. I've out of all this time, realized that sometimes, like my voice is not deep and it's not high, it's kind of mid-range, and it sounds like crap on some of the high mics. It's just, I'm like, God, it sounds like I'm talking through a bunch of coffee papers, but I'm to the point where I believe the microphone picks the user. I know it sounds kind of stupid, but it's kind of that's kind of where I've narrowed it down.